What does this button do?
Do not press that button. Do you hear me?
But it says to press it.
Don't press it, Maya. Do you understand me?
Ma'am.
Maya, I said don't press it.
I wasn't looking at it.
Now remember, don't.
Press the button. Mom, I know you've told me since I was 5 years old. I'm not gonna press it.
Next time, lose the attitude. Got it? Hey, girl.
Hey, does anyone know what this button does?
Don't press it.
So you know about it.
Yeah, don't press it.
What is so wrong with this button?
Hey guys, look. The freak is talking to herself again.
That's it. I can't take it anymore. I'm pressing this freaking button.